Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of double integrals and reverse the orders. So now I will show you how to answer. We don't have the formula to find the integration of cosine y squared. So we need to reverse the orders dy dx into dx dy. Because we reverse the orders, that means we need to change the bounds. So about dy, we have y is greater than or equal to s and smaller than or equal to the square root of b. About dx, s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of b. Now we need to graph about s equals to y. So the graph of this one, that should be like this. So y is greater than or equals to s, so that should be about this area in here, and smaller than or equals to the square root of b, so that should be in here. So the next one from 0 to the square root of b, 0 in here, the square root of b in here. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one, because we reverse the orders, so we need to change the bounds of this one in here. So about the s, so we see that s should be go in this way. So s is greater than number 0 and smaller than or equals to y. So because this is about y equals to number 0, s equal to number 0, and this is about s equal to y in here. About y that's about this one. So we see that y is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to the square root of b. Now we put everything in here. So this one, that is about dx. We have from 0 to y. This one, that is about dy. So we have from 0 to the square root of b. The integration of dx, we don't have s in here, so we have s, and we have cosine y squared dy, and we put the bounds in here from 0 to y. So I will put y cone here, number 0 cone here. And we have y. So the next one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to y squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2y dy. We don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when y equals to number 0 from here, so I will put number 0 on here to find the value of u, and u equals to number 0 when y equals to the square root of b. So I will put this one on here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to b. So we have the integration from 0 to b. Y square we change by u. Y dy we change by du over number 2. The integration of cosine u, we have sine u. And we put the bounds from 0 to b. And now we have the final answer. And we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.